Students, yesterday I have completed this chapter and give the demonstration. Today I am going to tell you the meaning of the words. Good morning, students. This is your word meaning. You have to write it down in your fair copy. As you all know, when chapter is completed, we have to do the word meanings. So this is your word meaning of this chapter. You have to complete it in your copy also. First word is given battery. Battery of Ford means battery is a device which when it helps to move any electrical equipment so it is also battery is a Ford also. Next is blacksmith. Blacksmith is a person who creates tool and objects out of metal. Means blacksmith is a person who create tools, means make tools out of metal. Next is churchyard. Next is churchyard. Churchyard is the area around a church used for burials. Burials means usually full of tombstone. It is just like a shamshan. Okay. Churchyard is the area around a church used for burials, means shamshan. Okay. Next is coarse. Coarse means rough surface. Convict. Convict, as I told you, who do the crime, and it is a prisoner also. The person who do the crimes, he is a prisoner also. Next is file. A rough-edged tool used for smoothing or shaping metals. File means a rough-edged tool, means which surface is rough, so it is helped to shape a metal. Next is grub. Grub is a slang word used for food. Next is marsh. Marsh is a wetland area. Wetland area means the muddy area which is covered mostly with water, usually covered in small plants, and around that small plants are also there. Next is nettles. Nettles is a weed that stings skin when touched. Means any sharp edge thing when you touch, it stings your skin. So it is known as nettles. Next is orphan. Orphan, I told you when I explained the chapter, orphan means a child whose parents are died. Next is ravenously. Ravenously, eating fast due to greed or hunger. When you feel hungry, you can eat the food very fastly. It is known as ravenously. Next is tombstone. Tombstone is a large flat stone. This is a large flat stone which is on the grave. It is known as tombstone. It is clear now. Come to the next. Next is weathercock. Weathercock is a device in the shape of a cockerel used to show which way the wind is blowing. Means weathercock is a device which helps you to show the direction in which wind is blowing. Next is wilderness. Wilderness is a natural space that has not been shaped by or lived in by people. Wilderness is a free space where people moves but they don't go to live. Okay. When it is completed up to this, you have done this word meaning in your copy, fair copy. You have to do the hard words also. I am going to explain how you write the hard words. Now come to the hard words. What you all have to do? You all have to mention in your fair copy like this: lesson 2, Pip meets a convict. Today's date 18/8/20. Hard words. Right, like this you have to write down the heading also. First word is blacksmith. Second word is churchyard. Third word is suddenly. Fourth word is frightening. Fifth word is growled. Sixth word is seized. Seventh hard word is emptied. Eighth hard word is ravenously. Ninth hard word is dreadfully. 10th hard word is tremendous. 11th is shuddering. 12th is numbed. 13th is stared. 14th is marshy. And 15th is glared. You all have to write it like this in a neat and clean handwriting. Handwriting should be neat and clean, and writing should be neat and clean, and handwriting should be correct. Okay. Okay, beta, complete it. And what is your homework? Your homework is to learn the word meaning and hard words both. Okay. Thank you, beta.